Come along and learn with me about the Floating Blue Community.
Hi, welcome back to part 4 of the Floating Blue Community.
A guardians of the deep, of the learning experience.
In today's lesson, we are going to discover some cool facts about the bizarre and beautiful boy barnacle.
Hi again. Let's get started.
From the phylum Arthropoda, boy barnacles are highly modified crustaceans, living head first in their shell and feeding with their legs. They are the only type of barnacle to produce a gas-filled float. This float is secreted from modified cement glands in the base of the stalk and take on an expanded polystyrene texture. Two very different forms of barnacles exist. The sessile acorn barnacles, like the volcano and toothed barnacles, which have a characteristic conical shell, are found attached to rocks and other flat, hard substrates, a common intertidal site. The stalked barnacles, like the goose and boy barnacles, live on floating objects. Other animals, or in the case of the Dosma species, secretes its very own float. Both barnacle forms are protected by a series of shell plates and have long, hairy, modified legs called cirri that are extended through an opening between the plates to filter food from the water. Boy barnacles comb the water for plankton and detritus and are preyed upon by seabirds. During the spring of 2011, the shores of the Western Cape witnessed a mass stranding of boy barnacles. Washed out in the presence of other floating community organisms, our beaches were covered with incredible numbers from Paternoster on the west coast to De Hoop on the south. It is thought that unusually persistent westerly winds carried this community from the South Atlantic Gaia to our shores. These photographs are all from that event. Even though these barnacles secrete their own float, small individuals do attach to floating marine debris. And with the increase of human-produced debris in the sea, there has been a rise in the number of stalked barnacles in the open ocean. You are now ready for part 5, violet storm snails and sea swallows, my favorite. Click here for part 5. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.